To manage your preferences, first download the Dropbox desktop app if you haven't already. You only need to do this once. If you don't have administrative permissions on your machine, your admin may have installed the app for you. Once installed, you'll see the Dropbox icon in the system tray on Windows or in the menu bar on Mac. Click the Dropbox icon and then the gear icon, then select Preferences to make any changes. If you want to disable notifications, uncheck the options under the Notify Me About section. To change your selective sync preferences, click the Account button, then the Selective Sync button. You can only selectively sync at the folder level, so pick and choose what you want to sync by checking and unchecking the boxes next to your folders. You can also change your Smart Sync settings from the same place. Select the preference you want from the drop-down menu next to Smart Sync Default. To change account linking and unlink your personal account from your business account, click on Unlink this Dropbox from the same screen. By default, Dropbox is installed in your user folder. If you want to change this, click the Move button under Location.